This is announcement for week of September 7, 2020 for CS147 class. Logistic wise, we don't have a class on September 7. It's a Labor Day. Campus is closed. We won't be online on that day. So for that week, you have less amount of study. We'll continue with the module 2, Boolean Algebra Review. Complete the watching videos for lecture 5, which is Boolean Algebra 2 before September 2, 2020. Also read the related lecture notes and add your queries to the corresponding Q&A discussion. As far as lab work goes, continue this module 10 Verilog tutorial. Complete lab 4 by September 9, which is like data flow modeling 2. Watch the corresponding videos and do the experiment. Also read the related slides and add your queries to module 10 Q&A discussion. Activity wise, complete the introductory discussion by September 9, 2020, 11:59 p.m. Also complete the practice quiz by September 10, 2020. This is very important, this practice quiz, because you have an upcoming quiz coming up due on September 12, 2020, 11:59 p.m. Quiz will be available from September 11 from 6 a.m. at the morning. So it is available to you for like 2 working days, not a 48 hours, but like 2 working days for you. And you have 2 attempts, 45 minutes per attempt. So what I would suggest, start early, first attempt, and then after the first attempt, you know where you need to focus on the study. Okay, and then you focus on those part, get your doubt cleared up and stuff like that, then come back for the second attempt to get full marks out of the quiz. So our quiz is designed to make sure that you actually focus on the part and you can understand where your weaknesses are. So please make sure you do the first attempt very early, maybe Friday like morning. You do that, then you know where to focus, where to study, and then come back after you are prepared. It's a responders monitored webcam based monitoring system with a lockdown browser. So that's why it is important that you complete the that mock-up quiz, that practice quiz by before the real quiz start, to make sure your environment is all set up and ready to go. And this quiz, as far as the other logistic goes, it includes lecture 1 to 5. It's open book, open note. You can use your own blank scratch paper to solve the problems. You can use calculators. So again, like these responders monitored and lockdown browser are formalities, and to make sure you yourself are actually doing the quiz. So basically, other than that, it's practically open book, open note. You can use any resources that you would like. You can use calculators, solve the problems, right? So again, main target for the quizzes is to make sure that you understand that where your weaknesses are, and go back and study those part like with a focus, and then come back and do the second attempt to get a full marks on the quiz. Other activities, as far as project 1, it is due on September 16, 2020. If you have not started already, please get started. You may get surprised in the environment setup. Every semester I get at least like 3 to 4 students who has like real difficulties in installing that tool. So please start early if you have not already started. Project 2, it will be published on September 9, 2020, and it's due on October 26. But don't think that you can actually slug behind, because it's possibly 100 times harder than project 1. So start early, make sure you are on track. Okay, so to keep you on track, there are 4 ungraded milestones for this project. Meeting those deadlines means you are on track for meeting the final deadline of the project to submission. Otherwise, if you see that okay, you haven't met the corresponding milestone on that week, put more steam into the project. Okay, so take this project seriously. Due date October 26 means nothing, and if you think you can do it within a week, you are very wrong about that. This project needs a lot of time from you and a lot of effort from you. So please start early. Okay, so and also this project 2, go through the description and watch the videos on that page. So it has all the details on that project description page. It has videos, it has video guidelines, and so on and so forth. So you have to again put a lot of effort on the project 2. So start early as soon as you are done with the project 1 and submit that. So that's all for the announcement for week of September 7. If you have any questions or query, please let me know in the class or update the discussion pages or send me an email.